Good morning. Isso, máxima, isso simples. Or simply, 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 or simply. David, it's not It's December 24th, 2024, and it's Tuesday. Good Christmas Eve to everyone. Here in Naples, today totally cloudy. Even if I don't believe in parties or in some way, good Christmas Eve to everyone. In Naples, totally cloudy today. There's a white grey cloud kind of atmosphere in general, tutto simile per noise. Early afternoon, practically 13 and 25. 48 and 2 Fahrenheit 9 Celsius, and this means it's really cold. This is serious and cold. It's a classic adjective that usually for the fact to interpret and so the reports of the article as a someone who remember I think about which I suppose indeed I'm sure but I see and remember these things for the same. Let's also see that at the same time I propose the fact that people shouldn't watch my music because it's better. I know perhaps a paradox for you, not for me. And I did do student collaborations for spring and summer, so as for the spring and the autumn, so as for the summer. In fact, for the spring and the autumn, I usually adjective soft, or for the summer, adjective hot. So, as you know, that students is a classic adjective, and absolutely in copy. But as I'm repeating, since you're going on November, it's slightly colder in particular in the last days, week, 10 days. Yes, it's really cold. Other things we entered in winter a few days ago. Thanks to a method, about 2 points of a method, the Dutch athlete Wim Hof, sportive and athlete Wim Hof, these 2 points of this method I follow since some years. These 2 points consist in the first one in cold showers if not fit, and to wear as little clothing as possible. Yes, and thanks to this limit, I always try to since some years fight the cold. I recommend these 2 points. This method is a Dutch athlete who has hold some records. He's in the Guinness World Records. In particular, the record of about 3 hours of apnea under ice water. At the moment I don't remember, but in details I wrote 5 times I write exact minutage of this record, and so for this reason I say good, cioè in general, let's say in general these degrees are good, but thanks also to this fact of the method I less than degrees. For me the degrees are good also for this reason, and in general yes, both for these 2 reasons. So apart from last year, in the past years I didn't notice, remember also this first part of winter like this. Repeat is a good thing considering all the things. This is a good, but repeat considering all the aspects. This is a good thing for me. I don't know for other people if they have the same sensations, judgments also for me about this. I think as you really have known from what it. Still, but today absolutely I can see the same things just from this. It's bad. What is the things? And in fact, I'm feeling some things in this. In the afternoon, I think at temperature at 20 repeat this just before 48 and 2 Fahrenheit 9 Celsius. At important thing was atmosphere at anticipating just before the day this. Yes, if we enter the room,